Good morning, children. This video is for class 2, subject Mathematics. Term 3, chapter number 4. And the name of the chapter is Data Handling. And this is our summary lecture. Today's topic is extra sums based on data handling. Now in question number 1, the data given below shows the number of students in a library reading different kinds of books. So here we have given this data. There are some books, storybook, comic, magazine, novel and poetry, and these are the students. Okay, so now beta, we have to give the answers of the following questions based on this given data. So here in A part, it is given how many students are there in the library. So here we need to count the number of students. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 students. So here we will write 30 students. Now in B part, it is given what is the difference between the number of students reading comics and those reading novels. So here beta, we have to see that how many students are there, those who are reading comics. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 students. Okay. And those who are reading novels, that are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. Okay. Now we have to find out the difference. So to find out the difference, we need to subtract. So here we will write 8 minus 4 and that is equal to 4. Okay. Now it is given which book is read by the maximum number of students. Okay, so which book is read by the maximum number of students? It means कि ऐसी कौन सी बुक है जो ज्यादा बच्चों ने पढ़ी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं बेटा कि in this given data maximum number of students are in this. Okay, and the name of book is magazine. So here we will write magazine. Magazine, magazine. Okay. Now in D part, it is given which book is read by the minimum number of students. Okay. So here we have to write the name of that book which is read by the minimum यानी सबसे कम बच्चों ने जो book पढ़ी है, and that is poetry. So here we will write poetry. 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 Understood, beta? Now, in question number 2, it is given the following data shows the number of fruits bought by a fruit vendor from a wholesale merchant. Okay, हमें यहाँ पर बेटा जो डाटा गिवन है, ठीक है, ये डाटा किसके ऊपर बेस्ड है? नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स के ऊपर बेस्ड है जो कि एक फ्रूट वेंडर ने खरीदा है फ्रॉम अ होलसेल मर्चेंट. होलसेल मर्चेंट कौन होता है? जो होलसेल में सामान बेचता है. ठीक है, तो इस फ्रूट वेंडर ने इससे नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स खरीदे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस. सो हियर इन ए पार्ट इट इज गिवन हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स डिड द वेंडर हैव. ओके, सो हियर हाउ मेनी मींस कितने, डिफरेंस मींस कितनी तरह के काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रूट डिड द वेंडर हैव. ये जो वेंडर था जिसने ये फ्रूट्स परचेज किए हैं उसके पास कितने काइंड ऑफ फ्रूट्स हैं. So let's count how many kinds of fruit: apple, mango, banana, pineapple, guava and pear. So there are 6 kinds of fruits he has. Okay, so here we will write 6. Understood, beta? He has 6 different kinds of fruits. In B part, it is given which fruit he buy in least number. ठीक है, लीस्ट मीन्स सबसे कम. तो ऐसा कौन सा फ्रूट है? वी हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द फ्रूट. कौन सा ऐसा फ्रूट है जो उसने सबसे कम नंबर में खरीदा? दैट इज, हियर यू कैन सी पाइनएप्पल. सो हियर वी विल राइट पाइनएप्पल क्योंकि उसने 1 पाइनएप्पल खरीदा है ओनली. ओके, नाउ इन सी पार्ट इट इज गिवन हाउ मेनी बनानास डिड द वेंडर बाय. Now we have to count the number of bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write 8 bananas. So whenever beta which word is given, then you have to write the name of that. ठीक है, फ्रूट है तो फ्रूट का नाम लिखेंगे, अगर कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है तो आप म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम लिखेंगे. तो विच मतलब होता है कौन सा. ठीक है. एंड हाउ मेनी मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर. हाउ मेनी मीन्स कितने. ओके. In D part, it is given how many guavas did he buy. So here we have to write down the number of guavas. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 guavas. So here we will write 5 guavas. Now in E part. Which fruit is maximum in number. ऐसा कौन सा फ्रूट है जो मैक्सिमम नंबर में है. तो जो सबसे ज्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है वही मैक्सिमम नंबर में है. एंड दैट इज बनाना. सो हियर वी विल राइट द नेम ऑफ फ्रूट बनाना. BANANA. banana. In F part, it is given how many more apples did he buy than mangoes. So how many means कितने, more means ज़्यादा, apples means apple, did he buy उसने खरीदे than mangoes. So here beta we are comparison between apples and mangoes. So let's see how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 apples are there. And how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes are there. So here we will subtract 6 minus 4. So first we will write 6 minus 4 and that is equal to 2. So here we will write 2. Understood? G part, it is given how many fruits did he buy in all. Now beta, it is given how many fruits did he buy in all means we have to find out the total number of fruits. So first we will count number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples, then 4 mangoes, then 8 bananas, then 1 pineapple, then 5 guavas and then 3 pears. So we will add all these. Okay, so here we will write 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3. So 6 plus 4 that is equal to 10 and 10 plus 8 that is equal to 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 plus 5 that is equal to 24. 24 plus 3 that is equal to 27. So there are 27 fruits. So always remember beta, whenever it is asking about the kind of fruit, then you have to count the number of different kinds of fruits. Okay. And here it is given how many fruits. So jab how many fruits, then you have to count the whole number of fruits which are given. Understood? Now the next one, question number 3. The following data given below shows the number of different kinds of musical instruments of a show. Okay, so here we have given this data beta and here we have given some musical instruments. So here first of all guitar is given, then second musical instrument is harmonium, third one is violin and then drum, then sitar. Okay, so beta, now we have to give the answers based on this given data. So here in A part, it is given which musical instrument is in greatest demand. ठीक है, greatest demand means जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांड है, लोगों को उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को परचेज करना है. ओके, सो जो सबसे ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम नंबर में होगा वही उसी की डिमांड ज़्यादा है. सो लेट्स सी which musical instrument is in greatest in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 guitars are there, 4 harmonium, 3 violin, 5 drum and 2 sitar. So which is greatest in number? That is guitar. So here we will write the guitar. It means guitar is greatest in demand. Understood? B part. It is given which musical instrument is available least in demand. Least means सबसे कम, यानी कि लोग उसकी डिमांड सबसे कम करते हैं. तो जो सबसे कम नंबर में होगा that is least in demand. So here that is सितार, क्योंकि सितार कितने हैं? Only 2. So here we will write the spelling of sitar, SITAR, sitar. Now in C part, it is given which two musical instruments likes same. Look likes same का क्या मतलब होता है बेटा? जो एक जैसे दिखते हैं, ठीक है? So you can see this guitar and this violin both look like same. ये एक जैसे दिखते हैं. So here we will write the spelling of both guitar and violin. Guitar, guitar, and and violin, violin. Okay. Now question number 4. Below data is showing the number of students of a class liking different food items. So here we have given this data beta. This is a pizza, then dosa, burger, pasta, sandwich and chips. So बेटा ये जो डाटा है वो हमें क्या शो कर रहा है कि एक क्लास में कितने बच्चों को कौन सा डिफरेंट फूड आइटम जो है वो पसंद है. ओके एंड हियर वन स्माइली रिप्रेजेंट्स टू स्टूडेंट्स. वन स्माइली जहां बनी हुई है उसका क्या मतलब है कि टू स्टूडेंट्स. सो देयर आर हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स who like pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10, means 10 students like pizza. Now we will see that how many students like dosa. Only one smiley is there, so 1 multiplied by 2 and that is equal to 2, means 2 students like dosa. Now burger. How many students like burger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiplied by 2. ठीक है, मीन्स जितनी स्माइलीज हमें दी हुई हैं हम उतने स्माइलीज को जो वन स्माइली का मीनिंग है यानी 2 स्टूडेंट्स हम उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर यहाँ 5 दिया होता तो हम इसे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, 3 दिया होता तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते. So 6 multiplied by 2 that is equal to 12. Okay. Now pasta 1, 2 means 2 students like pasta. Sorry, 2 smileys are given. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, means 4 students like pasta. Now we will talk about sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 smileys are given. So 4 multiplied by 2 it means 8 students like sandwich. Okay. Now we will talk about chips. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 smileys are there. So we will multiply 3 by 2 and 3 2s are 6. It means 6 students like chips. Understood? Now we will give the answers based on this. In A part it is given how many students like sandwich. So here you have to see the sandwich. How many smileys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we will multiply 4 by 2 and 4 2s are 8. Means 8 students like sandwich. B part, it is given how many students like burger. So here how many smileys are in burger column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 we need to multiply 6 by 2. So here we will write 6 multiplied by 2 and that is equal to 12. Means 12 students like burger. C part, it is given how many students are there in the class. So beta, how many students are there in the class? For that we need to add. Okay, so here how many students like pizza? That are 10, then dosa 2, then burger 12, then pasta 4, then sandwich 8, chips 6. So we need to add all these. So here we will write 10 plus 2 plus 12 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6. Now 10 plus 2 that is equal to 12 and 12 plus 12 that is equal to 24. Okay, 24 plus 4 that is equal to 28. Okay, and 28 plus 8 that is equal to 36. 36 plus 6 that is equal to 42. So here we will write 42. It means there are 42 students in this given class. Okay, 42 students. Now beta, question number 5. It is given the following data shows the number of girls who are fond of reading different fairy tales. So here we have given the name of some fairy tales books, okay, and we have to observe this data and we have to give the answers according to this given data. So here the first one is Thumbelina. So how many girls like to read Thumbelina? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now the next one is Cinderella. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls fond of reading Cinderella. Next one is Hansel and Gretel. 1, 2, 3. 3 girls. Okay. Little Red Riding Hood. How many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. And the last one is Pinocchio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls like to read Pinocchio. Okay. So now we have to give the answer based on this given data. Here in A part it is given which fairy tale is most popular among the girls. So we have to beta write down the name of that book, fairy tale book which is most popular, and it is in the maximum in number, that is Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, so here we will write the name of this Little Red Riding Hood. You can see the spelling from it. Okay, now in B part is given how many girls love to read Cinderella. So बेटा how many means कितनी girls को Cinderella पसंद है read करना. So here in Cinderella how many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we will write 6. Okay. Now in C part. In C part it is given which fairy tale is least liked by the girls. So here beta we have to write down the name of that book which is liked by the least number of girls. Okay, so here the least number of girls are in this column, 1, 2, 3 only. So the name of this book is Hansel and Gretel. So here we will write the spelling of this Hansel and Gretel. Okay, now in D part it is given how many total number of girls are there. Okay, so here beta we have to count the number of girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 girls. So here we will write the name of number of girls, that is 30. Okay, it is given how many more girls like Cinderella than Hansel and Gretel. Okay, so here we have to comparison between Cinderella and Hansel and Gretel. So here in Cinderella how many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and in Hansel and Gretel there are 3 girls only. So to find out the difference we will subtract. So 6 minus 3. Okay, and that is equal to 3. So 3 girls like Cinderella, 3 more girls like Cinderella than Hansel and Gretel. Understood, beta? Now today's homework, do assignment number 2 of chapter number 4 given on at Quark website. Okay. Thank you.